Hello, my lovelies. I hope you guys are all doing super well. I just want to give you guys a quick update on sassyover55.com. This is an amazing, beautiful website. And one of the things we decided to do was keep the loyalty and giveaway open. A winner is going to be announced every single month. And this is for my YouTube subscribers only. I will really encourage you guys to visit us daily, click on those ads for a chance to win amazing, beautiful prizes. We are all on these platforms, to make money and to support each other. And I'm really asking you guys for your support. You can also donate as well if you wish. And so this is the updated site here for you. I'm just going to go back to the home page right here, and the photographs are updated, and we do have great skincare content on this website. It is incredible. It is amazing. And of course, just click around on the ads if you wish. Just like your YouTube channels, when I watch your videos, I let your ads play because the ads are where the money comes from. And I'm just going to ask you guys to do the same for my website, to just click on those ads when you see them pop up. And this is our blog site, which is really pretty. And we're constantly updating the website all the time. And when we go back to the top, you can get into the video section. You click on here, you're going to see my latest videos will just pop up. Okay, my latest YouTube videos will just pop in here any second. And of course, when you see the ads to the bottom of the page or to the top of the page, all you have to do is just click on the website. It just takes a little bit of a minute to load there for a second. These are all of my videos. I just have to add my recent videos. And again, my website is monetized, and I'm really asking for your support, guys, to please click on those ads when you see them. And again, the loyalty and giveaway is open. Refer a friend to the site, and we are going to be giving away great things. And it is a beautiful site. I'm very proud of it. And again, you can just go through. As you can see, I'm on my iMac and it's a little bit slow today. And these are beauty editors picks right here, and beautiful products from e.l.f. And you guys are really going to enjoy this website. Again, please stay tuned for more giveaways. And let me just go back to the home page for a second right here. And I did not add all of the winners for the giveaway. Let me just go back into the blog, sorry. And I'm just gonna go back into the blog for a second. And I'm just gonna go to I do also have an affiliate page as well. If you guys want to click that and just shop around, would be awesome. And I am just trying to find, let me just get back to the loyalty and giveaway. And again, my system is just slightly slow. This is a loyalty and giveaway page. This giveaway was won by Miss Beautiful Chanel, and the Sephora gift card is closed. And this is the new giveaway here for September. And I will encourage you guys to please check it out for a chance to win. And of course, you have to stay tuned for October's giveaway. And I'm planning something really big for December. And I'm probably going to do something cash-wise, but we'll see. But still working on that. In the meantime, I'll continue to check out sassyover55.com. Go to our homepage, check it out, click on the ads, and you're going to get amazing information. Okay, the ads pop up anywhere. They can be in between the content. Like for example, there's an ad to the bottom, but of course I cannot click on my ad. I'm going to be canceled by Google. And I hope you guys enjoy. Chat soon. Bye.